Investigators probing yesterday's beheading of two men off Whitehall Avenue in St. Andrew say the deceased were being sought for questioning in connection with several murders and shootings in the corporate area. Crime Chief for Area 5, Senior Superintendent Derek Champagny, says police are investigating allegations that the deceased have been linked to gang activities in the St. Andrews Central, St. Andrews South, and Kingston Western police divisions. He says the men were lured into the area and killed because of a gang feud. Now, Kirk Wright visited the scene of the gruesome crime yesterday and now reports.
Except to say there's an ongoing gang conflict in Whitehall, St. Andrew, the police tell us they're yet to figure out the reason for the beheading of the two men last evening. A police source says the men are from an area of Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew called Rome. That claim has been confirmed by residents of the community. The residents have identified the men by their aliases Blackie and Platty. It was about 15 minutes to 6 when the police received the calls that gunshots were heard in the Whitehall community.
The team responded upon their arrival. They entered the premises where the headless corpse of two males were found to the rear of the premises.
At first check, the heads of the men were nowhere near their bodies.
Since then, the head of what is believed to be the head of one of the said corpse has been located at a premises in a neighboring community, just a road, off road from Coburn Avenue, where the bodies were found.
The police say they still haven't located the head of the other person. A further search of an area called Black Lane near the crime scene led to the discovery of a Ruger 9mm firearm with live rounds.
It is believed that the weapon may have been one of those involved in the unfortunate activities within the space.
A car believed to be the one the dead men traveled into Whitehall was also found with bullet holes and blood stains. The police say they have been enjoying a level of calm for some time in the area.
And so, it is most disheartening at this time for this to have occurred.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.